Hi, this is Marina from Health Gloves, a certified healthy diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make a healthy candy box. The ingredients that you're gonna need for this candy box are low-fat, raw, vegan, which means that this candy box is healthy and tasty and you can enjoy it guilt-free. The ingredients that you're gonna need are
ingredients: dehydrated bananas, cinnamon, dates, coconut powder, carob powder, pomegranate seeds. The exact measures of all the ingredients are on my website. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. First, we're going to prepare the box. Place the decorative napkin with the desired motif into the decorative box. Add the cake paper holders into the box. Dessert number 1 preparation. Peel the bananas. Slice the bananas lengthwise into thin slices. Place the banana slices onto the dehydrator trays. Dehydrate bananas at 47 Celsius, that is 117 Fahrenheit degrees, for about 8 hours. Put on hygienic gloves. Place 3 dehydrated banana slices on a plate so they continue in a row and the top of the previous slice overlaps with the top of the next one. Press the slices onto the plate surface and add cinnamon over them. Roll the slices into rolls. Place the cinnamon rolls into the decorative box. Dessert number 2 preparation. Depeat the dates. Put the dates and coconut powder in a bowl. Mix these two ingredients well into a so-called dough. Form the dough into little cones. Roll the cones into some coconut powder to make snow cones. Place these snow cones in the decorative box. Dessert number 3 preparation. Take out the pomegranate seeds, depeat the dates, place the dates and carob powder in a mixing bowl. Mix these two ingredients well into a so-called dough. Form the dough into balls. Roll the balls over the pomegranate seeds to have them glue on the surface of these sweet balls. Place these black and red balls into the decorative box. And your healthy candy box is ready to be gifted to someone who you care about and, of course, enjoy it.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you like this healthy candy box. If that's so, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on that bell notification button and comment down below. Let me know in the comments, would you like to get this kind of candy box? And of course, share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned because I have so many videos coming up for you. And until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards and keep glowing. Bye bye!